Ever flip every breaker in a panel trying to find the right circuit? Yeah, stop doing that. There's a faster and cleaner way electricians do this on real job sites, and I'm going to show you. What's going on? Fabian here from Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Today we're talking about how to identify the correct breaker properly. Not guessing, not trial and error, but doing it the right way. This matters more than people think, because choosing the wrong breaker or not knowing what circuit you're working on can lead to safety issues, equipment damage, and just wasting time on the job. And if you're working in an occupied home or commercial space, flipping breakers randomly is not the move. Most people still do it like this. You go to the panel, start flipping breakers one by one. Someone's yelling from another room. Yeah, that one. No, not that one. And you're going back and forth wasting time. That's not efficient, especially on real jobs. So let me show you how I actually do this on site. This is what I use, a circuit breaker finder. It's designed to help you identify the correct breaker without flipping everything. This breaker finder is efficient in finding your circuits, scanning at the panel, plugging in your transmitter into the receptacle, and also going back to the panel and using your scanner to identify the correct wire. You've got two parts. The first part is the transmitter, which plugs into your receptacle. You will see the digital screen, which will show you your voltage, your line, neutral, and also it will tell you if there is an open neutral and so on. It's also made to plug in, leave, go back to the panel, and also you will have your scanner where you will then take your scanner and scan your wires accordingly. Once you see it beeping, you know that that's the correct wire. This digital transmitter that you see, the way it works is you turn it on, you plug it in, you click the test button, your Wi-Fi is going to come on, it's going to send the signal back to the receiver, and that's how it will communicate back and forth the proper way without pressing the button so it picks up the receiver. There's no way that it will work accordingly. 1. Plug the transmitter into the outlet you're trying to trace. Step 2. Go to your panel with the receiver. Now you scan each breaker. Small. And when you hit the right one, that's your. This tool is especially useful when panels aren't labeled properly, they're labeled incorrectly, there's a lot of troubleshooting going on, or you're troubleshooting some other issue of sort inside of the home, whether it be commercial, industrial, or residential. It gets the job done. This tool has been my go-to tool since I've started using it a week ago. I haven't stopped. It's really great. As you can see, fully screen buttons to test, scanner to go with it, identifies the right conductor. Troubleshooting is made easy with this tool. Now here are some pro tips. Always verify after identifying. Don't rely just on your labels alone. Understand your load before working. And this ties back into breaker sizing. Remember, a breaker protects the conductor, not the device. A 20 amp breaker can only carry 16 amps continuously. So if you're identifying circuits and sizing them wrong, you're also creating a big problem. That's why understanding both is key. What I like about using the Kiwi breaker finder tester, it has saved me a lot of time, a lot of headache on numerous projects since I've started using it. Cleaner workflow and more professional approach to the job. But still always double check your work. If you're an apprentice, licensed journeyman, licensed journeywoman, contractor, electrical contractor, even homeowners doing troubleshooting, the Kiwi breaker finder has been the best tool I've used so far. Why? It's more efficient, it lights up, you have the screen, you have everything here that you need to know. You have line, neutral, it tells you if it's correct, it tells you if it's open, it tells you if there's a ground fault, it gives you all the instructions on it, opposed to other testers where some of them they just beep and it shows you the actual labeling on the tester itself. This one is digital. It's also has a receiver and a transmitter receiver that once you pair them both together, then you will always find the correct circuit at your panel. If you want to work faster and also avoid guessing and also avoid walking back and forth continuously, tools like this makes a big difference on a job site. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check it out. If this helped you, drop a comment below and let me know what you want to see next, and I'll catch you in the next one.